welcome back to another driving through Jamaica. Today we have a rather easy drive. It's a weekend, the sun is setting, and it's not even a long drive. We're just going to drive from Hagley Park Road in Kingston over to Hellshire Road in Greater Portmore. That's St. Catherine. Alright? As I said, it's the weekend, it's the evening time right now. I don't expect much traffic, alright? So I'm not even going to take long with this intro. Let's see if we can get over there before nightfall, okay? And I hope you enjoy. We're now approaching the 3 miles area now, guys, and this is a newly built section of the roadway. It's actually called the 3 miles overpass, and for those who can remember, like, 3 miles has come a long way because we used to have a roundabout here in 3 miles until they removed the roundabout and they had traffic lights, and then they removed those and this is what we have. But underneath this overpass you do have traffic lights under there, but everything was redone and all that. So newly section of the roadway here, and we're just gonna continue along this roadway and make our way to the Portmore leg of the highway. Okay, guys, so while driving on this road, ensure you maintain the speed limit, okay? Yeah, do not speed. I know it's a highway, I know it's tempting, especially right now when they're doing some work on the highway where they actually dug up the old asphalt and they have repaved it. So the road wasn't even bad, but it's much smoother right now. Yeah, this section right here. But guys, maintain the speed limit, okay? Maintain the speed limit. I just saved you a few tickets, all right? Especially this section of the road. Maintain the speed limit. All right. Okay, so I know I did say it's a weekend and it's coming down to the night time, so I wasn't expecting much traffic, but we're approaching the toll plaza or the toll booth. This is where you pay your toll so you can pass through, okay? So this is why we have this traffic pile up right here. Now, as you know, every toll plaza they have their tag lane, express lane, e-pass, whatever the country might tag it as, where you once you have the tag you can just drive through, right? But unfortunately today I don't have a tag attached to this vehicle, so I gotta stay in this traffic for a little bit and make my way through, okay? I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but another lane actually opened up, so this is why everybody sort of like tried to rush in. Yeah. So lane opened up, so I should be on my way from this toll plaza here pretty soon. Have like what three vehicles in front of me. Yeah. So a couple more seconds and I should be through here, and I think I'm gonna take back road. I don't think the workers are out as yet, but that's where I'm gonna take. All right. Okay, guys, so we're still on back road. We're about 3/4 of the way of our entire journey, all right? So maybe another couple of minutes and we should arrive at our destination. All right, I don't think there's any traffic down the street. Like Portmore Road sometimes has a lot of traffic, but I don't think there should be any traffic today. All right, so let's continue. All right. Okay, guys, so just as I had anticipated, there's not much traffic and it's a very beautiful evening, guys. The sun is setting. It's so nice, guys. It's so nice. I just want to take the time out to tell everyone, like, no matter what or how busy you are in life with your job, whatever, guys, take some time out to just enjoy yourself, relax yourself, go for a drive, go for a walk, go sit and have a drink somewhere relaxing, guys. Trust me, life is so sweet. Trust me, I always tell people, like, life is so exciting and it's so nice, guys. Okay guys, so we've basically come to the end of our journey, and if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to tell you thank you for watching, and until another driving through Jamaica, be safe, okay?